given how dull and numb the markets have been of late. It's a good start. We are marching towards 19,600 now. 19,500 has been conquered, so it's a good start. The breath, I think, is looking charged up. You got Max Financials, block service, block deal is done. Coforge, the block deal is done. But power space, I think there is a block deal in Manappuram Finance also. I can see it on my screen. But in terms of a theme, I think it's back to power. BHEL, Ratan India Power, Suzlon, Reliance Power, and then you got JP Power Ventures. Folks, just be careful here. Just because it's power does not mean everything is great. Power at 440 is high voltage. It will burn you. So just be slightly more careful here in terms of looking at the stocks here. But in terms of a powerful mover, let's look at Reliance. Why Reliance? Well, the deal has happened in terms of a retail infusion, and it's not moving the needle thought as much. Jio Financial Services, the pre-open rate was telling us it will be down. Is it circuit down and the markets have opened? Yes, it's circuit down. 213 rupees. Bit of a mystery. A lot of retail guys have been texting us trying to understand what is happening. We'll have a detailed discussion sooner than later. But for the moment, Reliance is flat and Jio Financial Services is another circuit down.
Yeah, another circuit down, and if it continues this way, then there could be a further deferment of its ouster from the index and the adjustment thereof. Reliance, though, has a soft floor after that QIA deal. Let's see which way the stock actually heads from here, because, I mean, clearly with the kind of valuation that QIA has come in, it's almost 2x the retail part of the business that is in about 3 years' time. HAL is the other one which is in focus. LCA Tejas has now successfully test-fired Astra air-to-air missiles, so that's one stock we're looking out for. There's Vascon Engineering as well, which has got a letter of acceptance worth about 605 odd crore rupees. Torrent Pharma, besides all the buzz around them picking up the promoter stake in Cipla, there's also US FDA, which has classified their Dahej unit as a VIA now versus the OIA status earlier. There's Atul Auto as well, wherein Society Generale has bought about 1.4 lakh shares. That's almost equating to about 0.7% equity in yesterday's trading session. Atul Auto will just come up for you on your screens next. And then Snowman as well, wherein the promoter Gateway Distriparks has bought about 11 lakh shares in a block yesterday. Both those stocks are holding up as we speak right now. Sentiment negative for both ONGC as well as Oil India, considering WTI is now sub the $80 per barrel mark. Crude has slipped sub 83. So look out for these names. And then Sun Pharma, wherein the US Court of Appeals has ruled against the company in one of their patent litigations. So that's another stock in focus. And I just want to revisit what Coforge is up to, because sources are indicating that Bearing PE is looking to sell the entire 26.6% stake. So that's another stock holding up 3% right now as we speak. Let's also chase some of the big movers from yesterday. And remember, it was banks to the rescue in yesterday's trading session. So Federal Bank, RBL, Axis, ICICI Bank, SBI, all of them held high. And today as well, you can see that trend continue. Net result, the Nifty has had a comfortable start above that 19,500 print.